Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and as you can see I have the 5-inch American Super Shells. Because in America we do everything bigger, and ironically, made in China. But yeah, I actually got these Super Shells now. And there's, I think, 24 in total. Yep, 24. So we have blue with white strobe, barricade crown with blue, brocade, why am I saying barricade? Brocade crown, brocade to crackle, green dahlia, purple peony, green dahlia with tea silver tree, or something like that. Green strobe with crackle, green wave with white strobe, pink sea blue, orange peony. And the list goes on all the way down to 24, which is yellow and blue peony. Yeah. Each shell is labeled as well. But let's take a look, shall we? Sorry. Long pause. And here you have it. So look at these things, they're fucking long. So yeah, these are 5-inch canister Super Shells. There's a tube, basically the same color as the box, just pretty neat. But yeah, that's it for this video.